Embracing frugality is not just a passing trend. It's a lifelong commitment to smart financial decisions. If you've ever felt that pinch in your wallet or just want to learn how to stretch every dollar, you're at the right place. Today, we're going deep into 14 frugal living tips that have been tried, tested, and vouched for by countless individuals. Number 1, master the 30-day rule. Impulse buys can make a significant dent in your savings. Every time a non-essential item catches your eye, give yourself a 30-day waiting period. If after a month that urge persists, then it might be worth the purchase. More often than not, the craving fades and you realize you didn't need it. Number 2, embrace the power of cash. Swiping cards can sometimes feel abstract, but cash spending feels very real. By allocating a specific cash budget for discretionary expenses, you can visualize and control your expenditure much better. Number 3, batch your errands. Rather than making multiple trips throughout the week, plan and run all your errands on a single day. This practice is not only eco-friendly, saving on fuel, but also ensures you're optimizing your time and energy. Number 4, homemade is the best. From hearty meals to DIY cleaning solutions, opting for homemade over store-bought can often lead to significant savings. Plus, it's an exciting way to learn and hone new skills, adding a personal touch to everything. Number 5, institute no-spend days. Challenge yourself and your family with designated no-spend days. These are excellent opportunities to explore free activities, cook with what's on hand, and truly appreciate the idea of living within one's means. Number 6, cultivate a minimalist wardrobe. High-quality, timeless pieces can last years. Reduce the urge for seasonal shopping sprees by investing in classic items that can be paired in multiple ways. This not only saves money, but also cuts down on decision fatigue each morning. Number 7, always shop with a list. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. A list acts as a guiding light, preventing those tempting detours into impulse buys, be it grocery shopping, holiday gifts, or even online shopping. Stick to the list. Number 8, stay on top of maintenance. The saying, "a stitch in time saves 9," holds, especially for household appliances and vehicles. Regular checkups and timely maintenance can avert expensive, major breakdowns. Number 9, evaluate subscriptions. From monthly magazines to streaming platforms, ensure every subscription serves a purpose. If you haven't used a service for months, it's time to reconsider its value. Number 10, grow what you eat. Starting a small kitchen garden can be both therapeutic and economical. Even if you only grow herbs, you'll quickly notice savings and a flavor boost in your dishes. Number 11, engage locally. A robust community spirit can be a goldmine for frugal living. Participate in local barter systems, attend community-driven events, and consider sharing services or tools with neighbors. Number 12, ReDiscover Libraries. In the digital age, libraries might seem archaic, but they are evolving, offering digital books, online courses, and even tools or equipment in some places, all for free or a minimal cost. Number 13, prioritize debt clearance. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar wasted. Create a strategic plan to pay off debts, starting with the high-interest ones. The relief of being debt-free can't be priced. Number 14, annually reevaluate service contracts. Whether it's insurance, utilities, or phone contracts, dedicate time each year to shop around for better deals. Companies are always vying for customers and might offer attractive rates to new subscribers or those willing to negotiate. Living frugally doesn't equate to sacrificing quality of life. Instead, it's about making informed, intentional decisions that prioritize long-term financial health over short-lived pleasures. By incorporating these 14 frugal tips into your daily life, you're setting the stage for a future of financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, frugality is a journey, not a destination. Every small step counts.